Hi, this is Alex and we're back with another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks. This is the second part of a two-part episode looking at the various pre-treatment methods when printing on dark fabrics using the RICOH RI1000. In case you missed the first episode, we tested 3 common ways of pre-treatment to see which would produce the best result. The 3 ways are using a paint roller, using a manual hand sprayer, and using an electric hand spray. If you'd like to see the pre-treatment process, you can find a link to the video in the description below. We'll pick up where we left off in the last episode. After the pre-treated shirts are dry, they can be stored away until you need to print them. In order to get the best possible print quality, you'll want to make sure that you iron out any creases to create a nice flat surface for printing. To do this, we can make use of a heat press. Place a Teflon or non-stick sheet on the shirt before using the heat press to protect the pre-treated area. Once this is done, we can then transfer the shirt to the RICOH RI1000 for printing. We'll print the same image on all 3 shirts. As you're printing on a dark colored shirt, the print will be done in 2 passes. The first pass will be printing the white base layer. After the base layer is printed, it is left to dry for a moment before printing the color layer. From our testing, setting a longer drying time produces more vibrant colors. Here, we've set it to 200 seconds. Now we can see that the color layer is being printed over the white base layer. Once all 3 shirts have been printed, we'll post-treat them in the heat press and then place them side by side for comparison. From this, we can see that the printout from all 3 methods produces good results with vibrant colors and even coverage. If I had to rank them, I would say that the best would be the paint roller, followed by the electric hand spray, and then the manual hand spray. As long as you can find a good paint roller with a soft nap, I would definitely recommend using this method if you're looking for the best results. The only downside to this is that the application takes some time and you need a large working area to perform the application. If you're short on time or short on space, then I would suggest using the electric hand spray. Whichever method you choose, just ensure that you apply the pre-treatment liberally and you'll get good results. Hopefully, we've given you a better idea of how to properly pre-treat your shirts before printing. We've come to the end of another episode, and if you'd like to know more, leave a comment in the comment section. That's all for today. As usual, remember to subscribe and I'll see you soon.